guys, it's Melody. Welcome back to my channel. I'm in another area today with a new background. So this area is actually my desk and I have a swivel chair. This is my blanket in case I get cold sometimes when I work. But anyways, I'm still trying to figure out what is the best position for my videos. I might change my desk. Right now it's facing the window, but I might change it side in the future because my neon sign is going to go on this wall. So I kind of wanted to have it in my background. I don't know, we'll see. But today's video is a haul, and this haul is from ISAWITFIRST. This is my first time purchasing from ISAWITFIRST. They're from the UK, so I thought I'd give it a try because I just love trying like new stores and new boutiques and see if I like it. Their stuff is pretty affordable too. It's a little more expensive than like Pretty Little Thing and like Missy Empire and stuff like that, but their stuff is really cute, so check them out after this video if you'd like. I'm gonna be doing a try-on haul for you guys. I haven't tried everything on yet. I've tried on 2 things and they both fit a little snug, so I'm hoping everything that I try on later on will fit perfectly, but let's just get started with this video and I'll show you guys what it looks like on. The first thing I got is jeans. So I don't actually ever buy jeans from anywhere online except for Fashion Nova, but I thought I would try it out because these jeans looked really cute on the model that was wearing it. And I did try these on and they were actually like really snug on my thighs because I have bigger thighs and I'm short. So when I wore it, I had to like cuff it, which isn't ideal because I really did like how the bottom just flows down on your ankles, I guess, but I had to tuck it up. I really like this material, or not this material, but this color too, and these are not stretchy, so I think that's why. They're like real like denim jeans that don't stretch, but like my Fashion Nova ones, they're like super stretchy, and that's why I like those so much. But they have a little slit at your knees. I'm a little short, so it did not slit at my knees. It kind of slit at like my shin area, like a little above my shin area. So that kind of sucks, but there's nothing really that I could do about that. But I do like how it looks. And I don't have jeans that look like this, so even though it doesn't fit the greatest, I'll still be wearing it with my other outfit. The next thing that I did try on is this top. I actually have to close it up for you. They did have like other colors in this. I think like maybe like 3 or 4 other colors, and I did really want, I think the pink color or the green color. I forget which one it was, but both of those ran out, so I ended up getting this black one. It's so cute, and I love the little like, gosh, why am I blanking on what this is called? Not seashell, but you're not gonna know. Justin looked at me like, maybe I know. But yeah, it's really cute on the top. It's like a bustier, and this was actually kind of tight, and I'm like a true, I think, UK 8. I can sometimes fit a UK 6, but this was actually really tight, like around my under boob area. And it was really hard to zip. I needed Justin's help to zip this up. Yeah, it's like a silk material. There's a zipper in the back, but I really like how it comes together in the middle. It goes like a little V. And there's these little like, I want to say they're kind of like zip tie material like inside to make it look like a corset. I loved pairing this with like my black jeans. I thought it was really cute, and I could probably pair it with the jeans that I got here to make it like a casual chic kind of look. Yeah, I really love this, and I do want to get the other colors, and I did put a little email like notification when it comes back in stock. So yeah, really cute. I think those are the only 2 items that I actually tried on. But this next one is this dress. It's like a little sage, what is it, like a mint sage dress. I think it's ribbed. If you can see that material, I loved ribbed. Like anything ribbed, give it to me. I'm like all about ribbed. I just think it's so cute and flattering. It has a little straight neck dress with little spaghetti strap, a little thin, so I'm hoping that when I do try it on, it's not see-through, but if it is, I'll just wear like nude panties or whatever. Got this in a size 8. Thought it was really cute, just like super casual and like comfy. The next thing I got is also in kind of like that green color. I don't know why, I love the green right now. This top, it's like a silk Milkmaid top. I think that's what they call it these. Sage Stretch Satin Milkmaid Top. Yeah, I thought this was really cute because I don't really have Milkmaid tops and they're like really popular right now. So I thought I'd pick this up. I love the little clasps in the front. I look like that. So I guess if you want to, you could also like unhook it to show a little more like boobage area if you'd like. Yeah, I love the little puff sleeves right here. And you can probably wear it like off the shoulder or like up like this, depending on how you like it. I thought this was really cute when I saw it on the model, so I thought I would try this out. The next thing I got is also this silk thing. I don't know why, but like 3 or 4 of my things are like silk tops. But anyways, I saw this blouse. It's like a nude baby pink top, and I thought it'd be really cute if we go on like date nights or whatever, and I can like tie it in the front with a little like crop top inside. I thought that was really cute, and in case it gets cold, it has long sleeves. Yeah, I just thought this was really cute and could be for like work, even though we're not like going to work right now. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can tuck it in your pants, like so many options. I got an 8 in this, but I feel like, I don't know, we'll see when I try it on, but if I should have gotten like a little bigger size just to make it like a little bit oversized when I tie it. The next thing I got is this blue crop top. I have so many crop tops, but I really needed this one. This one's like silk and blue. I don't have anything in this, and this kind of reminds me of like Cinderella. It has a little sweetheart neckline. I love sweetheart. And it has latex right here so it doesn't fall off your body when you wear it. And I like the cups right here too. Little zipper in the back. I do really like how they made these cups. Like you can totally see the like cup right here and this line right here. I thought that was really cute. This I think is from the Along Came Molly collection. Molly is from Love Island, and she worked with I Saw It First, and a lot of these things are actually I think in her collection, or I saw on her, and that's how I found I Saw It First, and I wanted to try their clothes out. Oh no, the sun came in and now I have a shadow on my face. 1 second. I fixed it. It was the light. The light was like coming in from the blinds. But the last thing I got from them is a swimsuit, and I saw this on Molly, and that's why I really wanted it. But it's like a leopard bodysuit, or not bodysuit, leopard one piece. You can wear it a ton of different ways. I do have another one, a neon orange one that looks like this, and you can wear that one like I think 7 ways. So I thought that was really cool. And I do like how there's knots at the top, like right here. Really flattering. It's like a really low cut V. I can't wait to wear this when I go to Palm Springs. I really like the color because it's not your typical like leopard cheetah print color. It's kind of like a nude white color. I thought it was really cute and flattering. Okay, so that is it for my I Saw It First try-on haul. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I feel like UK and Australia have so many like Instagram like stores and boutiques and stuff like that, but I don't feel like the US like really has it, and that's why I always purchase from like UK or in Australia, and their clothing is just like my type of clothing. So if you guys have any of your favorite boutiques from UK or Australia or literally anywhere, please let me know. I would love to try it out, but I should really stop buying clothes. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!